see Harry and Dave and Perlita and everybody else, Gordon and Charles. What's happening? Notice the pictures of some of these girls who are actually kind of working with me and doing it right. How it's kind of the weird stuff's leaving their face. Okay, some girls do it because they didn't want what you guys had to offer and they didn't want your abuse. Secondly, most people don't pride themselves on how much they shit. So that's you guys' problem. They don't want your abuse and they don't want you guys sitting there screwing their faces all up on purpose, and especially when it wasn't that way before. So, like I said to a lot of these women like Aina and Kimberly and Kate and Bailey and Haley and a lot of my friends back home, it's not your fault, okay? A lot of it has to do with African Americans who got onto this stuff and just screwed it up in the first place, okay? And then they go follow the man like Paso Robo man, he'll save us, but really he's not the Messiah or God. He just took other people's shit and ran off. Joe did that because he wanted to be in defiance of either my dad or some other people, and they just want to be the antagonistic because that's the cool thing to do. But see, you guys went through all of that when we could have gotten this all working again and a lot more people happy and satisfied, but you guys got to profess Dave is the one. So put Dave in. I don't care. I wasn't here to fight him, but it's not the truth. You're not the one either, Bernard, because she's obviously still sick. You guys wanted me to help you guys get it going, but you want to fight me the whole freaking time. So, and then place items here and there, and there's all this recording crap. Guys, Dave, Perlita, Harry, you wanted people to shit, and you fucked up their crap for no fucking reason, dude. Thousands of people, and then you got it scattered all across the nation. It's pretty much proving Gordon killed her. You guys just don't, you just live in denial of that. And so when you guys accept that truth and you own up to Jay, Beswick, or whatever happened, then maybe things will change. But stop dragging me into you guys' crap.